Welcome to another Teamflect tutorial. In this video, we'll be going over Teamflect's recognitions module in its entirety. We'll be covering the recognitions module itself, the rewards features, as well as all the different points you can access recognitions through inside Teamflect. Let's start things off with the recognitions module. Here we are inside the Teamflect homepage, and as you can see our latest recognitions right here. We can head over to the recognitions module by clicking View All, or selecting recognitions from the left sidebar. This is Teamflect's recognitions module, and we're currently under the Company tab. This means we can see all the public recognition in our organization in the form of a live social feed. We can comment on each recognition badge and react to it as well. We also have the option to toggle these views and access a leaderboard view. These leaderboards are determined based on the point values assigned to each recognition badge, but if leaderboards don't fit your company culture, you can quite easily toggle them off. Now, let's create a new recognition together. All you need to do is click New Recognition. As you can see, we have plenty of readily available recognition badges, but we also have the option to fully customize each recognition badge. And it's not just the badges themselves. The entire point system attached to these badges can be fully customized or just turned off altogether. You can limit how many recognitions employees can send based on their points values as well. But for now, let's select someone that we can send a recognition badge to. Let's select a badge. Let's type in our message right here and click Send Recognition. And just like that, we sent the recognition with Teamflect. We can react to it like so, or write a comment right here. Inside the recognitions module, if you want to take advantage of Teamflect Agent, all you need to do is click Ask AI. Then you can ask the agent anything you want about recognitions. For example, let's ask if there's anyone in our team that we've neglected to recognize so far. Not only does Teamflect Agent give us an answer, but also can help us prepare recognition in a matter of seconds. Now, all that's left for us to do is review the recognition prepared by Teamflect Agent and send it. If you scroll through all the other tabs inside the recognitions module, you can see all the recognition exchanged in your department, your team, all the recognition you received, as well as all the recognition you've given. With all of that said, let's take a look at how rewards work inside Teamflect and how they can be connected to recognitions. Here we are under the Rewards tab inside Teamflect's recognitions module. As you can see, we have 40 points to spend on rewards. And we can spend these points on anything we see inside this fully customizable reward catalog. The best thing about this reward catalog is that you can truly make it your own and add any reward of your choice that fits your organization's culture, ranging from reward cards from localized catalogs, food and beverage options, transportation, or anything you can think of. Now, let's redeem some of those recognition points for a reward of our choice. We're selecting a reward. And right here, we can see just how many points we need for this reward. And we're clicking Request Reward. For these reward cards, we need to select which country we're based in. And once we do, we can send our request. Now, after I've sent the request, if I head over to my rewards, I can see that this reward is currently pending. Once the admin approves my reward request, I can see that my reward has now been approved. And if my reward of choice was one of these digital reward cards, I can access them through this link. Now, let's take a look at all the different areas we can access recognitions through within Teamflect. If you head into any of your meetings and scroll down on the meeting page, you can see that you can easily send recognitions through the meeting page, like so. Now, another way we can access recognitions is through the My Team tab. All you need to do is scroll down from the My Team tab, and you can see the recognition leaderboard inside your team. You can use this drop-down to filter through these recognitions, or click here to see all the recognition being exchanged in your team. If you want to receive detailed reports on your team's recognition habits, all you need to do is head over to Team Insights. Once here, select Recognitions. This will give you access to detailed reports on everything recognition related, including reports on how recognition flows across different team members. If you click right here, you can generate a summary of all recognition reports using AI. This will give you a clear and concise report on your team's recognition habits. You can also access recognitions through each individual user page. If you click User Search and head over to an employee's user page, and scroll down, you will be able to see all the recognition they received right here. And from here, you can send them a new recognition again, or use AI to help you prepare a recognition for this employee. You can also send recognitions inside Microsoft Teams chat using Teamflect. All you need to do is click the plus icon and select Teamflect. From here, you need to click New Teamflect Recognition. This will bring up the Teamflect recognition pop-up that you're familiar with by now. Once you select your recognition badge, simply click Send Recognition. But that about brings us to the end of our tutorial. We hope you found it helpful.